Normally, the users are tired of chasing employees for policy sign-off and struggling with the clunky external videos platform. So imagine delivering critical MP4 training videos directly into within the Excel forms your team already uses every day. So just imagine that. So how would people love it to have it that your forms are uh, showing your desired video within the forms, right? You don't have to go out of the form to run or to execute the media player, right? So we'll show you how to securely embed and control and track video playback right inside the Excel, ensuring your corporate training, etc. These are seamless and compliant. So that is the greater goal. But let's start with a simple example. With a simple example that you have a video and you want to see it playing uh, within your user form. Okay, so let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video. In our previous video, we have shown you how you can quickly embed MP4 file, video file into your Excel system. You have a form um, in your note which activates. If you go to the notes sheet, it automatically gets activated. How it is, we have explained you that there is a form that is activated immediately as soon as you enter into the sheet, right? For this, you have to see the view code and very short code in here. I repeat it for you for your thing, yeah. So this is activating the form, right? As soon as you activate this sheet, that's right, okay? So, and then it lists down the docs. The docs is actually basically a folder, but its contents come to our doc sheet here, right? How it comes, we have shown you in the previous video that there is a procedure that lists down all the files in this folder, and that becomes the part of the system. And that is listed, all the contents of the doc sheet which will then be, these will be listed in here, and these are playable, right? When you click in here, you the file is going to be played, right? And you can view the video, right? The next thing is that how to add new file, for example. Okay, let's say we have another file here. We can put how to add a new file in so that it comes, it appears here. Okay, so let's close it. I show you from here. Okay, I go to the folder. This is the folder. This is the folder problem. Yeah, and in here we have another MP4 file. This one, right? We copy it and we paste it in the docs, right? We paste it into the docs. Okay, let me take you to the E drive. In E drive, we have the NC system. In the NC system, we have the docs, and here we paste it, right? Okay. So this is the folder. Now you have two files, right? This is another video which you can use for motivation of your colleagues, right? So let's see this. So I'm explaining, I'm taking you from a very simplest approach so that you're not confused, and there should be some entertainment as well, and some motivation things as well. And then in the end, you will learn what is this NC system is all about. This is a full-fledged system. It's it's a naming convention system, right? Okay. So as soon as you click get into the sheet, you will see the additional file here. This is the share. And now this time we play this newly entered file. Okay, this is going to be played.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the dua which I normally tell to my friends, and it's my own experience also. It's very effective dua. It's a dua from the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the effect of this dua, recitation of this dua, is that it is guaranteed that all your worries for which you recite this dua, you recite this prayer, and then all your worries are going to be resolved, and all what you are worrying, any problem you have, that's going to be resolved, right? And any sorrow feeling or any bad heart feeling or depression, whatever you have, that's going to be converted into the happiness, inshallah, and your heart will get turn around towards the happiness. Right. So I recited for those who want to learn the recitation of this dua. It starts actually from here, right? Allahumma inni abduka ibnu abdik وابن أمتك ناسيتي بيدك ماض في حكمك عدل في قضاؤك أسألك بكل اسم هو لك سميت به نفسك أو أنزلته في كتابك أو علمته أحدا من خلقك أو استأثرت به في علم الغيب عندك أن تجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع قلبي ونور بصري ربيع قلبي ونور بصري وجلاء حزني وذهاب همي. So this is, and after this it is read once you receive, إلا أذهب الله همه وأبدله مكانا حزنه فرحة. Means in place of whatever the bad feelings or bad circumstances you have, that's going to be converted into the nice things, good glad tidings is there, and you will get everything resolved, and it will be happiness. It will be the sorrows will be converted to happiness. Right? So I hope you will find it useful. And with the since it is the teaching of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and for whom it is, Quran says, "Ma yantiqu anil hawa in huwa illa wahyu yuha." He does not say anything of his own, but it is whatever he says, it is to be taken as if it is revealed by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
Let me add one thing in here. The system, so the translation which was given was a bit incomplete. It is said that Ya Rasulullah, ينبغي لنا أن نتعلم هذه الكلمات. قال أجل ينبغي لمن سمعهن أن يتعلمهن. So whoever, or even those who listen or who teach all these, so this is the glad tidings for everyone, not only for the reciter, but those who listen to it or those who teach to others. So what a wonderful thing it is, mashallah. So this is the way you add the files. The next, we are going to show you how these files names appear in this list box. We just put it there and they become available here. So for this, we have shown you that in our previous video, there was a procedure. And when you go to the view code, you put a breakpoint. Now, next time when you get back to the sheet, it will stop, right? Here, we will press F8 to get into this, right? And here, this is the folder. This is the procedure which lists down all the things which are new. At the moment, the folder is blank. As soon as the control reaches to this, it becomes ULO. Now it has a docs in it, right? Because we have concatenated docs into the folder name, right? So docs, now it is watching this docs. So what is it doing? What is the cause? What makes it display all the names? So that is the doc sheet, which is filled in, right? So we press the doc sheet is first of all cleared. The doc sheet is first of all cleared, yes, yeah, and then it is refilled, right? So let's press F8, and you see this is the procedure which is taking the source folder from where we are taking the file names, and here is the procedure which gets you all the file names, in which we see that for each file item in the source folder, what it is going to do, it is checking if the file type is PNG, then it will be taken. If the file type is MP4, it will be taken. JPG, it will be taken. So you can add all your files which you want to permit, and all the other files will be eventually ignored, and they will come into into the doc sheet. Once they are in the doc sheet, so they will be displayed in this list box. So this was a brief explanation of the VBA code which we have used, that how file types are considered, and this how the files are moved. Next is the naming convention. Inshallah, in upcoming videos, we will tell you how to name the new files so that you can take advantage of the system, things like the
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
okay.
This is the
So
dua.
let me tell. So you can take advantage of all these things. These all should go to the. If your naming convention is right, you will have the right thing in the right place, right? Right, and so then that would allow you to make a flexi reports, and even you can have certain financial calculations or display of receipts and payments and deposits to the bank or sales and purchase. You can use it for multiple purposes. We will explain you in our upcoming videos. Inshallah, you will enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching.